Hi guys, welcome to Common Core Math Callie. I'm going to go over ungrouping or subtracting with zeros. I'm going to go over the traditional way and the way that an actual student taught me. So I'm going to take the number 7,000 and I'm going to minus 2592. Okay, the traditional way is to start on your ones, which is 0, and go next door because we can only borrow from our next door neighbor. If we take this 0 here, we can go next door, but they don't have anything. There is 0. So we're going to have to go all the way over to the 7. So once we borrow from the 7, we're going to turn that into a 6. He can only give a group of 10 to next door, so this 0 turns into a 10. And then we start all over again, and we go back to the 1s. And the 1 has to borrow only from the 10s. The 10s doesn't have anything. He goes to the 100s, who is now a 10. Takes 1 from that group, turns him into a 9, turns himself into a 10. Now again we go back to the 1s. 1s goes over to the 10 and borrows 1 from 10, turning that into a 9 and himself into a 10. And now we can work our subtraction problem. 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 5 is 4, 6 minus 2 is 4. Our answer is 4,408. Now, a quicker way that my student taught me. We're going to take that same problem, 7,000, and we're going to subtract 2,592. All right, he said box it in. He's going to box in the first numbers in this problem except for the ones in the ones, or the 0 and the 1s, excuse me. He says, look at it. What does it say? It says 700. Take 1 from 700. Is it all right? Turn it into 699. Give that 1 to the 1s and turn him into a 10. Now we can subtract. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 5 is 4. And 6 minus 2 is 4. We get the same answer. So this boxing in method really only works when the last number is 0. It works really good when most of the numbers are 0, but the last number has to be 0. And if you can box it in and take 1 away and treat that boxed in number as a number and just take away 1, then it saves a lot of time. Thank you so much. Subscribe.